Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to increase Cash App limit. So simply in order to do this, first of all you have to open your Cash App, and after that when you open your Cash App, so what you can see that in the limit section, as you can click on the profile icon, and simply here you can see the limits option. So just click here in limit. So here you can see what you are sending, receiving, and add cash and cash out limit per week, month. And here you can see for Bitcoin it's unlimited. So now in order to do this, just you have to go to Google Chrome and search for increase cash app limit. So here you can see the details, like in order to increase the limit you have to send up to $250 within a 7-day period, receive up to 1000 within a 30-day period. So you can increase limits by verify your identity using your full name, date of birth, the last 4 digits of your SSCN. So simply just here you can click, and after that you have to complete all the requirements in order to increase your limit on Cash App.